So recently my money box broke and I really wanted a new one. So instead of buying a new one for $10, I thought it'd be cool if I got a 3D model and printed it. So I was looking on the MakerWorld website and I found this, the a cool safe that doubles as a money box. And what's really cool is it has a mechanism to lock. So yeah, I thought it'd be cool to print it and yeah, let's print it. So to print this safe, I decided to use some silver PLA Tough by Bamboo Lab. I didn't really have any reason for choosing this color. I just thought it looked cool, or would look cool. So I loaded it up and started printing. Alright, so here are all the parts. We've got the main part and then the other parts. And yeah, it's time to put this thing together. Hopefully I won't need to resort to a YouTube tutorial. It seems pretty straightforward, so yeah. I guess I'll start with the door, I guess. There we have it. Okay, so here we have the safe, all 3D printed, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, and how you open it is you just twist the little thing, and it just opens up, which is really cool. And then to close it, you just twist it the other way, and it closes. And you can't open it. If you pull hard enough, the thing does come off, but yeah, that's a given. So yeah, this is what the locking mechanism looks like. It's not too complicated, actually. Yeah. And what's also cool about it is it's also a money box. So I'm just gonna put all my coins in here. Boom, here we have all the coins. So yeah, then when you open it up, you get access to all your coins. And what's really cool about it is that it doesn't go straight to the ground, so your coins don't fall out when the door is opened. And yeah, you can just lock up your coins. And that's the safe. Let's see if I can. I'm pretty happy with how this 3D print came out. Overall, the quality was pretty alright for a 3D print. There was a couple things I had to reprint, but yeah, that's kind of expected with a big print like this. Yeah, there we go. But as I was editing this video and doing all the recording and stuff, I found this, which is an updated model from it. This time it has a combination lock attached to it, and I thought that'd be cool to print. So I was gonna reprint the whole thing, but then I realized it was the exact same dimensions and parts they used for most of it. There was only a couple things I needed to reprint. So yeah, let's print them. So here are all the parts that are needed to upgrade the safe to add the lock onto it. So let's take it apart and put the lock on it, I guess. Alright, so I'm back and I've got the safe with the locking mechanism all ready. So yeah, so here's the main thing that changed. It's a lock, and when the lock is correct, you just twist it and open it. Open it as usual. It just opens as usual, but when you lock it, and say you change the code by a couple digits, I'll just turn two of the digits. So now it's not the right code, and what happens is the mechanism doesn't work. So you have to line up all the digits again. I've chosen 164, I don't know, it was just a random number. You have to make sure they're lined up, otherwise they don't work. So sometimes it's a bit finicky, but this one's really not going. Alright, so I got it lined up now to the correct code, and look, it lets the rod pass through. Yeah, and it just works in the same way as before, and it just connects on the same hinges, which is good because that means I didn't have to reprint the whole safe. I just had to reprint some of the parts. The only problem is these hinges have become weaker now. There we go. There we go. And that's the safe with the locking mechanism. So yeah, not much of a difference, but it's still pretty cool if you want to keep your money safe and you've got siblings or parents that like to go get your money. And yeah, I hope you like this little 3D print. Let me know in the comments if you prefer this style of video or what I should do next or whatever. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. Check out my second channel. It has some cool content on there. The upload schedule at the moment is once every 5 months. So yeah.